Hey, it's Andrew at Northshore Toyota in Covington, here to talk to you today about the Toyota Safety Sense. One of the core components of the Toyota Safety Sense is the pre-collision system. PCS uses a combination of cameras and radar sensors to detect potential collisions with vehicles, pedestrians, even cyclists. We explain the functionality of lane departure alert, which warns drivers when unintentional lane departure is detected. Additionally, we'll highlight the benefits of the lane trace assist, which helps keep the vehicle centered in the lane, especially on long highway drives. The dynamic radar cruise control is an advanced cruise control system that not only maintains speed, but also adjusts the vehicle's speed based on the distance to the vehicle ahead. With the road sign assist, it's a convenient feature that uses the front-facing camera to detect and display important road signs such as speed limit and stop signs on the vehicle's instrument panel. The automatic high beam function is a smart lighting system that automatically switches between high and low beams based on oncoming traffic and road conditions. For more information on Toyota Safety Sense, come see us today at Northshore Toyota at 68500 Highway 190 Service Road in Covington, or give us a call at 985-893-7778.